Hello everyone, a warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Hi guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can configure a CCTV security camera over the internet and make it accessible from anywhere in the world. First of all, download the UC app from the link available in the description. Install it on your Android or iOS phone. Now power on the camera and flip the camera, and there would be a reset button on the bottom of the camera. Press it using a needle or a toothpick and wait until camera send a bleeping sound. Just like that. Once the camera starts beeping doo-doo sound, open up Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone. Open Wi-Fi settings and connect the phone to the Wi-Fi you want the camera to connect to. Now open the UC app, create a new login account if you don't have already. Then press the plus sign button, then click on fast networking. Select the Wi-Fi connection on the second input field, type in the exact Wi-Fi connection. Click on next at this stage. The camera should be powered on and bleeping doo-doo sound. Now press when you hear the doo-doo sound. Select the Wi-Fi name of your camera on the next screen. Click next and the camera is now connected to the phone successfully, and you can access the camera from anywhere. Just to show you guys, I am turning off my Wi-Fi connection and connect the phone via my 4G network. and as you can see, the camera is still accessible and working good. Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.